Ever wondered about the world of cryptocurrency and its potential to revolutionize the way we conduct transactions? Well, let's dive into an intriguing slice of this digital pie, a unique cryptocurrency known as AirSwap. AirSwap, part of the larger ecosystem of Ethereum-based tokens, is not just another digital coin. It's a decentralized trading platform, a virtual marketplace where traders can securely exchange tokens without the need for a middleman. It's like a bustling farmer's market, but for cryptocurrencies. Imagine buying fruit from a market stall. Normally, you'd rely on a middleman, the stall owner, to ensure the transaction goes smoothly. But what if you could make that exchange directly, without the need for an intermediary? That's what AirSwap enables in the world of crypto trading. This peer-to-peer platform utilizes smart contracts, self-executing agreements with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller directly written into lines of code. This not only ensures security but also provides a high degree of transparency. AirSwap operates on the swap protocol. Think of it as a set of rules that govern these direct transactions. This protocol allows for a fair and efficient system of trading, where the prices are set by the traders themselves, not by a centralized authority. Now, you might be wondering how AirSwap manages to provide security without a centralized authority? The answer lies in the unique design of the swap protocol. It uses a process known as atomic swapping, where the exchange of tokens happens all at once, eliminating the risk of one party defaulting on their end of the deal. The AirSwap token, known as AST, plays a vital role in this decentralized marketplace. Holding AST gives traders the ability to add their intent to trade to the index, a catalog of all available trades. This is how potential trading partners find each other, essentially making AST a key that unlocks the trading potential of the AirSwap platform. So to summarize this journey into the world of AirSwap, 1. AirSwap is a decentralized trading platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. It's not just a coin, but a marketplace for secure direct transactions. 1. This platform operates on the swap protocol, a set of rules that allows for fair and efficient trading. 1. AirSwap uses smart contracts and atomic swapping to ensure security and transparency. 1. The AirSwap token, AST, is more than just a coin. It's a passport to participate in the trading activities on the platform. AirSwap, with its innovative approach to decentralized trading, holds immense potential in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. It's a testament to the power of blockchain technology and its capacity to redefine our understanding of transactions. So next time you delve into the digital realm of cryptos, remember, there's a whole world waiting to be explored beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, and AirSwap is a significant part of that world.